Namaskar, hello, this is Kirti here extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Pan Vision.
Today's telecast is sponsored by Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bangalore.
First, the top story. Azadi Express reaches Mangalore, showcases 150 years of Indian history. Here is what we have in our local news. Woman Hajj pilgrim from Kapu goes missing. And we have a feature on Dr. TMA Pai Planetarium at Manipal, a window to outer space. And in our entertainment bash, we have melodious songs from the Christmas celebration held at Perampalli and a song from the 6th Vincent Night held at Mangalore.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Anantakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
News in detail. Country's first ever Azadi Express, exhibiting the first war of independence in 1857, reached Mangalore on Thursday, December 27th. From the freedom struggle to the post-independence era, each of the 11 coaches of Azadi Express depicts the independence struggle of the country. Human Resource Development Minister Arjun Singh had flagged off the Azadi Express from New Delhi on September 28th to mark the 150th anniversary of India's first freedom struggle, 60 years of freedom from colonial rule, and also the birth centenary of martyr Bhagat Singh. Painted in the colours of the tricolour, Azadi Express, a mobile train exhibition on the freedom struggle, reached Mangalore after passing through different parts of the country from the capital on Thursday, December 27th. The train carries exhibits under various themes such as Company Raj, The Lightning, Fire Spreads, British Takeover, National Awakening, Partition of Bengal, Gandhiji's emergence on the scene, and Quit India. Each of the 11 coaches of the train has a unique theme depicting the pre-1857 era, First War of Independence, advent of Mahatma Gandhi, the resurgent India and its march to progress and development of parliamentary democracy, with the last coach housing a souvenir shop. Bogies are soothingly lighted, showing murals, paintings, drawings and photographs covering the entire period. Books, cards and mementos on 1857 and freedom struggle themes are also available at the counters set up inside the train. Azadi Express, the train exhibiting the main events of independence struggle, proved to be a huge success in Mangalore as school children made a beeline to the railway station on the first day itself. The Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada, Maheshwar Rao, inaugurated the train.
India's achievements ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಸಹ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಆಡಿಯೋ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಸಹ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The exhibition has been arranged jointly by the district administration and the railways department to mark Karavali Utsav. The train gives an opportunity to remember our great heroes who sacrificed their lives for the sake of the country. The train was flagged off on the birth centenary of one of the noblest sons of India, Shaheed Bhagat Singh, on September 28, 2007 from the Safdarjung railway station in New Delhi. It is expected to cover 21 states over a period of 8 months, halting at 70 stations before returning to Delhi on May 11, 2008. A project of Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, the exhibition will end with the last leg of the exhibition slated from Meerut to Delhi on May 11, 2008. Azadi Express will be open to public in Mangalore till December 31st. From January 1st, Azadi Express will tour Kerala. A 70-year-old woman Hajj pilgrim from Kapu in Udupi district is reported to be missing from Mecca.
A woman Hajj pilgrim from Kapu is reported to be missing from Makkah since Monday, December 24th. Aishamma, a resident of Uliar Goli in Kapu, had left on Hajj pilgrimage to Makkah through Taj International Tours and Travels. She was reported missing when the entire batch gathered again at Saudi capital of Riyadh in order to fly back to India on Monday, December 24th. Aishamma's son M. Ismail has lodged a complaint with Kapu police in this regard.
Well, with this, we will take a break here. On the other side of the break, we have a story on the Manipal Planetarium. So don't go away, I will be right back.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Shri Ananthakripa Residential Apartments built on a prime location in Bijay in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
Pinky Fashions for variety in dresses and dress materials. Buy one and get one free. Best quality of dresses for all family members. Jeans pants, terry cotton pants, ready-made shirts at the most affordable rates. For women, very special offers. Just for Rs 150, 2 saris. From the lowest range of saris to light quality jari saris, fancy saris and new design saris. Just for Rs 125, 2 chudidar materials. Short top chudidars, embroidery design chudidars. 2 baba suits, Rs 80 only. 2 shirt pieces, Rs 110 only. 2 pant pieces, Rs 120 only. We are open on Sundays also up to 2 p.m. Just visit Pinky Fashions, Ajanta Complex near Shetty Traders, Milagros Crossroad, Hampankatta, Mangalore. Please note, we do not have any other branches. So visit Pinky Fashions.
Welcome back after the break. Planetarium is a best place for us to know more about the universe, solar and planetary system. A visit to the planetarium can be a rich experience. Dr. TMA Pai Planetarium in Manipal quenches the thirst of all those who are curious to know about sun, moon and the stars, as this is the only planetarium in the undivided Dakshin Kannada district, next one being in Bangalore and the third one in Calicut, Kerala. We have a story on this.
Trees and plants burst into bud and blossom. Even flowerless trees are adorned with colorful tender. The days gradually start growing longer and warmer, but the nights are still somewhat cool and pleasant because of the gentle, cool breeze.
A planetarium is a theatre built primarily for presenting educational and entertaining shows about astronomy and the night sky. Most planetariums have a large dome-shaped projection screen onto which scenes of stars, planets and other celestial objects can be made to appear and move realistically to simulate the complex motions of the heavens. The celestial scenes can be created using a wide variety of technologies. The objective is normally to link the technologies together to provide an accurate relative motion of the sky. Typical systems can be set to display the sky at any point in time, past or present, and often to show the night sky as it would appear from any point of latitude on Earth. The TMA Pai Planetarium, situated in the heart of Manipal, and is housed in a beautiful 3,000 square feet complex. It includes a planetarium, an exhibition lobby and an auditorium. The planetarium has an 8-meter diameter sky dome. The seating capacity of this fully air-conditioned planetarium is 70. Every day, 2 shows are conducted, one in Kannada and the other in English. 4 shows are held whenever there are special bookings from schools.
Today the stand that most modern scientists have is that the planets have nothing to do with your future or the way things unfold in your life. Basically because they're so far away that even though they're massive, their gravity doesn't really play any part in your on the scale of human affairs. But the thing is that in earlier times, the ancients observed the sky, they saw certain patterns, they saw certain cycles recurring there. So they tried to relate it with events on the ground. For example, definitely the solar cycle and the lunar cycle have effects on the weather and things like that.
During the last 24 years, India has launched many satellites into space, such as the Rohini, Bhaskar series, IRS series, and INSAT series.
The show entitled Starry Skies covers the galaxies and the solar system. It starts with a tribute to TMA Pi and goes on to explain the configuration of the sky, so as to enhance the general awareness of the planetary system. Each show is of 40 minutes duration. A minimal cost of ₹10 per person is charged for the visitors. Closed on Tuesdays, it is open on all other 6 days including Sundays. The planetarium started functioning in May 2000. It draws visitors from Udupi district, Mangalore and also Karnataka-Kerala border, with children constituting its major audiences.
So next time, if you want to gaze the stars or to know about celestial bodies, Manipal Planetarium is the best place to visit. In our entertainment bash, we have some melodious songs to enthrall you. So don't go away, I will be right back after the short commercial break. So stay tuned.
Are you looking for a dream house in Mangalore? Abhideep Developers Private Limited Bangalore presents Sri Ananthakripa Residential Apartments, built on a prime location in Bijay in Mangalore. Facilities available: elevator of a 8-passenger capacity, generator for uninterrupted power supply, play garden, beautiful visitors lounge, party hall on terrace floor, society room, common toilet in ground floor, Jaguar fitting, Tata pipes for plumbing, Jal Arc Parryware CP fittings, vertified Somani make tile flooring in the inside apartment, granite for lift and staircase area. Upcoming project Hat Hill, Mangalore. Contact Abhideep Developers Private Limited, Bluebirds Manor, Silver Cross Road, Jaipur, Mangalore.
तिरवें कोंगणी हप्ताळें सादर करता 246वी वेल्फी नायट जानेर 13 आयतारा सांजेर 6 वरार सान लुईस कॉलेजीच्या मुख्य मैदानार. तिकेट्यो सदांच्या सर्व सुवात्यांनी मेळटात. कार्यक्रम संपतस सिटी बसांची व्यवस्था आसा.